Silver and gold, with their captivating allure and timeless elegance, hold a special place in our hearts and adorn our lives with their beauty. However, over time, these precious metals can lose their shine and luster due to exposure to environmental factors and everyday wear. To preserve their brilliance and ensure their longevity, it is essential to understand the proper techniques for cleaning and caring for silver and gold. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through a step-by-step journey, equipping you with the knowledge and methods to restore the radiance of your cherished silver and gold items. Silver and gold possess a unique charm, whether in the form of jewelry, cutlery, or decorative pieces. However, tarnish, dirt, and other contaminants can dull their gleam, diminishing their visual impact. By understanding the intricacies of cleaning these precious metals, you will be able to rejuvenate their appearance, bringing back their original splendor. In this guide, we will delve into the various methods and supplies required to clean silver and gold effectively. We will explore gentle yet powerful cleaning solutions, preventative measures to minimize tarnish, and techniques to restore their natural brilliance. Whether you're dealing with mildly tarnished pieces or stubborn stains, our comprehensive approach will cater to all your cleaning needs. Throughout this guide, you will learn how to assess the condition of your silver and gold items, gather the necessary supplies, and employ specific cleaning techniques tailored to each metal. From basic cleaning methods using mild dish soap to tackling tough tarnish with baking soda or specialized cleaning solutions, we will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle any cleaning challenge. Moreover, we will delve into the art of polishing and buffing, elevating the shine and glow of your silver and gold pieces to their fullest potential. We will also discuss preventative measures and storage techniques to protect your treasures from future tarnish and damage. Cleaning and caring for your silver and gold items is not only a practical endeavor but also a way to honor their value and significance. By taking the time to maintain and preserve these precious metals, you ensure that they continue to enchant and captivate for generations to come. So, let us embark on this comprehensive journey together as we unlock the radiance of your silver and gold treasures. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will gain the expertise to restore their timeless beauty, preserving their allure for years to come. Step 1. Gather the necessary supplies. Before you begin the cleaning process, gather the supplies you'll need, such as mild dish soap, a soft bristle brush, microfiber or lint-free cloth, a bowl, warm water, and specialized silver or gold cleaning solutions, if desired. Step 2. Assess the condition of your items. Examine your silver and gold items to determine their condition. Note any tarnish, dirt, or discoloration, as this will guide you in selecting the appropriate cleaning method. Step 3. Cleaning silver. 3.1. Simple silver cleaning. For mildly tarnished silver, create a mixture of warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap. Gently clean the silver using a soft bristle brush, ensuring you reach crevices and intricate designs. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly with a microfiber or lint-free cloth. 3.2. Tarnish removal. To remove stubborn tarnish from silver, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the tarnished areas, gently rubbing it with a soft cloth. Rinse and dry thoroughly. 3.3. Using silver cleaning solutions. Specialized silver cleaning solutions are available in the market. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean your silver items effectively. Be cautious with delicate or valuable pieces and consider seeking professional cleaning for them. Step 4. Cleaning gold. 4.1. Simple gold cleaning. For routine cleaning of gold items, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Soak the gold in the solution for a few minutes. Gently scrub with a soft bristled brush, paying attention to any intricate details. Rinse with clean water and pat dry with a microfiber or lint-free cloth. 4.2. Dealing with stubborn dirt. For gold pieces with stubborn dirt or buildup, soak them in a mixture of warm water and ammonia. Leave the items in the solution for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a soft bristle brush. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Step 5. Polishing and buffing. 5.1. Silver polishing. To restore shine to your silver, use a silver polishing cloth or a specialized silver polish. Follow the instructions provided, gently rubbing the polish onto the surface in a circular motion. Rinse and dry thoroughly. 5.2. Gold buffing. For gold items, use a soft cloth to buff the surface gently, enhancing its natural shine. Avoid using abrasive materials or excessive force to prevent scratching. Step 6. Prevention and storage. 6.1. Preventative measures. Minimize tarnishing by storing your silver and gold items in airtight containers or anti-tarnish bags. Avoid exposing them to harsh chemicals, perfume, or household cleaning products. 6.2. Regular maintenance. Make cleaning your silver and gold items a regular part of your maintenance routine. Periodically inspect them for any signs of tarnish or damage, addressing them promptly. By delving into the depths of their care and maintenance, you have acquired the knowledge and techniques necessary to ensure that your precious metals continue to radiate brilliance for years to come. Throughout this journey, we have explored various cleaning methods, from gentle approaches for everyday dirt to specialized techniques to combat tarnish and discoloration. By understanding the unique characteristics of silver and gold, you are now equipped with the tools to effectively clean and restore their splendor, allowing their natural beauty to shine through. We also ventured into the art of restoration, unveiling the secrets of polishing and buffing to enhance the allure of your silver and gold items. With careful attention to detail and the right techniques, you have the power to revive their surfaces and witness their radiance come alive once more. Furthermore, we discussed preventative measures that minimize the effects of tarnish and prolong the longevity of your precious metals. By implementing proper storage techniques and being mindful of environmental factors, you can safeguard your silver and gold treasures, preserving their beauty for generations to come. Cleaning and restoring silver and gold is not merely a chore, it is an act of appreciation for their timeless elegance and craftsmanship. By investing in their care, you are honoring their value and ensuring that they continue to captivate and inspire. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. As you continue to cherish your silver and gold items, periodically revisit this guide to refresh your knowledge and explore new approaches. Each piece holds its own unique story, and by nurturing them with care, you contribute to their ongoing legacy. So, take pride in your newfound expertise and embrace the radiant journey of cleaning and restoring silver and gold. May your precious metals continue to shine with unmatched brilliance, reflecting the beauty and craftsmanship that makes them truly exceptional.